April 15, 1906, San Francisco was struck. An earthquake of enormous proportions rattled the elegant city, and the subsequent fire virtually destroyed the entire town. 7 years later, audiences saw a more graphic natural catastrophe. In Dayton, Ohio, floodwaters engulfed the entire town, destroying everything in its path. Millions of dollars in damage and a loss of 730 lives made this front-page news throughout the country. In this sad scene out of the past, we see the remnants of a story that today has been all but forgotten.